The main topic of the meeting is beyond the games, is what I understand. So what I can say here today is that the main reason I came here is not a gaming reason. I'm here for real life reason, and I'm a musician in my real life, and Second Life is my real life too. And I can tell you, how it's called, Torley told us about all the great features, technological features of Second Life before, in his speech before, and he talked about avatars, the way that you can customize avatar. And for example, I spend a lot of time trying to make that avatar looking much more like I am in real life, because I'm really here to, my avatar is really me. I'm not another one in Second Life. And what I want to say too is what makes Second Life attractive to me, even though there are a lot of nice features that Torley told us about before, technological features. I will talk later about the frog, excuse me, say a word about that. And what is attractive to me in Second Life is people, because it's a way to meet real people. And what I think is that for most of the people here in Second Life, what is more attractive is the people that they can meet there to do whatever, to game together, to dance, just to chat and have a drink, to have a love affair, even to get into weddings, to have sex, or to have music, live music experience, or whatever, or movie, or whatever. But what is very attractive is people, and that's why I think that beyond the Second Life game appearance, this is a real world where you can get real social interaction. That is what the first point I want to say. The second one is why a musician can come here, and what can we do there? Well, I want to say that I came in Second Life because I met it's because I met a girl, a musician, an American musician girl, which is called Susan Jewell. She's American, and I met her in Second Life. No, it's not in Second Life. In MySpace. Yes, the world is very little, and everyone meets everywhere. And she told me that Second Life was a great place for a musician to get in touch with people and get in touch with public. And as I am interested in, like many of independent musicians, I'm very interested in how to get the best of new technologies to make a living and make you get a public. So I came there and try to thank you, Dizzy. So I came there and tried to see what was happening there, and I found a lot of great things. In Second Life you can see and you can meet a lot of musicians. Well, this start from the bathroom singers or college court singer, as you can say, and you go to real good musicians with kind pro musicians, or people doing the daily jobs and doing music after the jobs, because they cannot make a living with their music. But there is a lot of very, very good musicians, and you can experience there kind of live music, real live music. So you can use the technology to be, I can be at home and play with my guitar and my piano, and people sit in their home too and can listen to me and interact with me like in a real concert. And that's the way for me that has been a way to get some public here in Second Life, international public, a good French public, but international too, and it was a good experience to see that my music, even with the language gap, can be listened to by people not understanding the words. Well, we'll stop with that, and let's go to the video we have made with Susie. First point is that I just had released a new CD, and I wanted to have promotion tools, and video clip is the best tools that you can have. Video is okay. What do I do? Do I go on speaking, or do you watch the video?
Un jour que je regardais
Yes, I have a perfection.
à travers mes persiennes, j'ai vu passer une fille qui te ressemble. Elle portait une jupe en cuir, la même que celle tu n'aimes pas mettre quand on sort. C'est comme tu veux, mais comme tu veux. C'est comme tu veux, mais c'est comme tu veux. Dans son regard, il y avait tes yeux, ce que j'adore, et sur ses lèvres, tes mots volaient. Du coup, j'ai vu que c'était bien toi qui étais là, dehors, à moins que ce ne fût une autre toi. C'est comme tu veux, mais comme tu veux. Mais c'est comme tu veux, mais c'est comme tu veux. Et moi, je voulais juste profiter de ton absence pour me vêtir en un autre moi. Pas de jupe en cuir, non, 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 juste un peu de silence pour me parler de choses que tu ne sais pas. Un geste immobile, j'ai attrapé mon téléphone mobile pour t'appeler et te dire nous, c'est comme tu veux, comme tu veux. Ouais, c'est comme tu veux, ouais, c'est comme tu veux. C'est comme tu veux, comme tu veux. C'est comme tu veux, c'est comme tu veux. C'est comme tu veux, comme tu veux.